carefully did stray down by the walls of Wapping, where I met a sailor gay, conversing with a young lass who seemed to be in pain, saying, "William, when you go, I fear you'll ne'er return again." His hair it hangs in ringlets, his eyes as black as coal. My happiness attend him wherever he may go. From Tower Hill to Blackwall, I wander, weep and moan, all for my jolly sailor, until he sails back home. Heart is pierced by Cupid, I disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me but my jolly sailor bold.